Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so the information that we can read from the figure is that we know the period is 1.5 seconds, right? And the frequency is 1 over the period. So it's 2 over 3 hertz. And the amplitude is here. So the amplitude is 6 degrees. So we want to know how long is the pendulum. We need to first, so this is question A. For question B, we need to first find what's the angular frequency. So omega equal to 2 pi frequency, right? Is 4 pi over 3 radius per second. That's the angular frequency. And it's equal to square root gravitational acceleration over the length. So from this equation, we can know that the length of the rope is equal to g gravitational acceleration divided by angular velocity squared, angular frequency squared. G is equal to 9.8. We have omega here. Use your calculator, you can find the length of the pendulum. For question C, I don't think it's possible to determine the mass, because no matter what mass you have, you can always have, as long as the length of the rope is a constant, you can always have the same amplitude, the same period, the same frequency. So no. If you really want to know the mass, use a scale.